Right now, we're going to continue designing our documents model. But as of right now, we do not need pending. Too much complexity. We must simplify it first. Also, in our workflow, our routing, we do not need cancel and override. What we need is route, acknowledge, and reject. No documents received. Let's put this reject. Also, we're gonna modify our document to have an updated at, not only created date. We need to modify this user to have a related name. We forgot to have this related name one-to-one, related name profile on delete cascade one-to-one field. Modules user. Let's go. Let's start doing our routing engine or our routing feature because we have many things to do. Let's go. So this is our system routing engine and its abilities. We lay down into map into this 5. First, the ability to route document. Its purpose is to move this document from one department to another. So the general flow is we need to validate the document first, check the current department, where is it right now, and update the document current location from not from but to which department it will be transferred, and set its status to transit, meaning routing, and log that action into the routing history. Next is the ability to acknowledge a document, meaning if there's this route document, we need also the ability to receive that document from another department, and its flow is gonna validate document ownership and set that status into acknowledge, and the acknowledgement will be in the routing history. Number 3 is the ability to reject that document. So if the document is not received by the receiving department, meaning there's no actual docs that has been transferred to the receiving department, that department has ability to reject the document and log it in the remarks or the history. So we validate the department authority, then set the status as rejected, and attach rejection reason and log the rejection in the routing history. Next is the inbox query. Inbox query is our first query that we will show in our DDRTS. Its purpose is to retrieve or to get all the active documents that are not yet acknowledged by the receiving department. So it shows pending work of the current department, and we must fetch the documents assigned to that department. Next is to do not fetch or do not get the rejected documents and sort it by date. So next is our routing history. So routing history will be automatic, and it's just for the purpose of tracking every movement of the particular document. So the general idea or the rule must every action, route, acknowledge, or reject must be automatically generated as history that later on will be useful if we need to print out this routing history. So this stores this documents, this ID action type from to user and the timestamp, and we're gonna name this routed out, like to maintain consistency because we created at and updated at. So right now we're gonna use routed at. So our systems guarantees that there will be no document movement without a trace. Every state change is logged, and inbox will always reflect the current state or the pending documents that that particular department must work on. So that's our routing engine. We have many things to do. Let's go and do this.